Welcome to Home Squad Reviews. In this video, we're going to unbox and install the DG Direct Anti-Theft bracket for doorbells. Now, certain things to note with this device is that the maximum door thickness is 2.36 inches that you're going to have to work with. Door gap width has to be a minimum of 0.06 inches, and the door must swing inwards. Let's get to unboxing this device. Okay, this is the front. Here are the sides. Tells you what's inside and the color. Here shows you the features. Let's see what is in the box. Okay, this is the cover. Here are some screws. Let me see if I can pull this. Now let me put it down before I break it. Let's see what else is in the box. Here are some instructions, installation instructions. This is the clamp plate, so we would use to secure the device to the door. I think I can push this. Should be able to push it down. Yep, that worked. Okay, let's just organize everything. Alright, let me read the instructions to see what I need to do. I need to put the EVA pad, that's what it's called, EVA pad. I'm going to put one at the top and at the bottom of my Ring Doorbell 4. I guess it provides stability as well as it also prevents it from getting scratched. Alright, so applied one at the top and at the bottom. The next step is to put it inside of the cover. I'm doing it wrong here. I need to, the hole there at the top needs to be at the bottom. So let me do it the right way. Right. And I'm going to attach the other EVA pads to the slot that is set up for it. Notice there's almost like an indentation, a slight indentation there for you to just add the EVA pad. I'm going to attach the back of the case to the front of the case. Sliding it down, and I'm going to use a screw to secure the base of the cover. I'm going to connect the clamp plate using 4 screws. Now I'm going to use the M8 plumb screw and screw it into the clamp plate. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to secure it with the plastic screw pad. Notice the end of it is actually a soft material, which means it won't scratch up your door. I apologize for any shakiness you might see in the video, seeing that I'm using one hand to install this device. I first push the clamp plate so that it is snug on the door, and then I tighten it up just enough so that it is pressing on the door. You don't want to over tighten it. And this is how it looks. Here is the back of it on the door. And let me close the door just to make sure that it can close. Looks good. Guys, if you found this video to be helpful, smash that like button, subscribe if you'd like to see more home related products being unboxed and installed. Peace.